This is the ultimate guide to getting the most out of your Leatherman Wave multi-tool. Whether you already own one or are considering adding it to your toolkit, we've got you covered with all the tips, tricks and accessories you need to maximize its potential. From DIY enthusiasts to outdoor adventurers, this multi-tool with its 18 tools is a must-have companion for tackling a wide range of tasks. Whether you're tightening screws, cutting wire or even crimping electrical connections, the Leatherman Wave has you covered. To truly unlock the potential of your Leatherman Wave, you'll want to consider some must-have accessories. When it comes to screw accessories, the Leatherman bit kit is a game changer. With 21 double-sided bits in various shapes and sizes, including a miniature screwdriver, you'll have everything you need to tackle any task. Add the Leatherman bit driver extender and you'll be able to access screws in tight spaces with ease. When you choose these two accessories, consider getting the Leatherman nylon 4 pockets medium sheath. With extra loops and a compartment inside for storing the accessories, it's the perfect way to keep your wave organized. If you prefer a more simple and accessible sheath, take a look at these very cool clip and carry Kydex belt holsters. These belt holsters make it easy to carry your multi-tool on your belts or your other gear. As a result, you'll always have your multi-tool within reach. This is essential when you are working on a ladder or when you are a first responder in an emergency situation where every second counts. Do you prefer a pocket clip? Leatherman came up with a clever system where you can use the lock of the tools on the inside of the tool to secure a pocket clip or a lanyard eye. As such, you can also carry the multi-tool in your pocket or the side compartment of your backpack. And don't forget about spare parts. Whether you need replacement bits or wire cutters for the Wave Plus model, Leatherman has you covered. With the right accessories, your Leatherman Wave will be ready for anything and perform for years to come. Keep your wave clean, lubricated and sharp to ensure optimal performance and longevity. We've got you covered with our Skerper maintenance gear, like the Skerper maintenance oil pen for keeping the multi-tool nice and lubricated, the Skerper pocket stone for sharpening the main blade, or the Skerper basic sharpening pen for sharpening the serrated blade. Did you know the Leatherman Wave contains a hidden lanyard eye? You can find it on the inside of your wave when you open the saw. With a table knife and a bit of effort, you can reveal this practical feature. Perfect for hanging your multi-tool from a chain or a lanyard. And don't overlook the crimper tool, tucked away between the scales when the pliers are open. While not a daily necessity for everyone, it's a handy tool to have for various tasks, thanks to its location and durability. Lastly, make sure to utilize the serrated knife for high fiber materials like rope and cardboard. By using the serrated blade for these tasks, you'll preserve the sharpness of the main blade for more precise cutting jobs. You can sharpen the serrations yourself with the Skerper sharpening pen. In conclusion, the Leatherman Wave is a versatile and reliable multi-tool that's perfect for any task. With its durable construction, wide range of accessories, and user-friendly design, it's sure to become an essential part of your everyday carry. Keep our tips and tricks in mind and it will last you a lifetime. So, why wait? Head over to knivesandtools.com to explore our selection of Leatherman Wave multi-tools and accessories today.